Hi, welcome back to my channel, I Can Sew. I'm Kendra and I'm happy to be here with you. Do you like my bandana? It's cute, right? Found it at my grandmother's house and it just happened to match all the colors that I have on today in my snow outfit. So I was supposed to go work out, but that didn't work out. So yeah, I got a bunch of clothes on. But I've missed you all, so I'm back today. And if I didn't say, this is my channel, I Can Sew. It's been a while, and I've vowed for 2019 to upload more often than I have before, because I just want to continue to share my journey with you and to hear from multiple people about their sewing journeys as we get better and better in this sewing game. So, what I want to show you up front is what I've been working on for the last 2 weeks. Yes, I said 2 weeks. It has taken me 2 weeks because of the material. I'm using this material that's like a silky, satiny material, and it the pattern requires me to do a lot of hemming, and I've been having a hard time trying to fold it because it's not creasing when I try to iron it. So yeah, there's that. So I'm going to show you the pattern I'm trying to create, and hopefully I'll be done today. I'm really going to hunker down. I've had some time between, because of the snow, things have slowed down with my clients, and I can work on some leisure activities. So let me show you the pattern that I'm creating right now, and then I'll go and show you the material, and then something else that I've been trying to, I totally went the wrong way. Now you can see my pimple. And then something that I'm also trying to create. So, here. The pattern that I'm creating is Mccalls 7723. And I'm trying to do B. So, if you see this one. I think it's gorgeous. I've seen a lot of people sew it. It's not considered an easy pattern. It's considered average. See right here. So, when you look on the pattern, especially Mccalls, it'll tell you whether it's average. I think like Vogue says on the front of it, easy, very easy. Simplicity has a couple of them that call themselves easy. But Mccalls has a few that say easy, but otherwise, on the regular pattern here, if you look at the top and the back, it'll say whether it's average, easy, or intermediate, I think it is, or advanced. So that's where we are with this one here. And the pattern, it requires like shamus, gingham, screw all this up, cotton blend, I said that right, and poplin, said that right too. So maybe I'm doing like a charmeuse material, because it is that nice shiny material that you would use and you would wear and it was cute. It's just hard to hem. So what I did was I finished the end with like a zigzag stitch, and it kind of stiffened it a little bit for me, and then I was able to then fold it once, stitch it, and then fold it again, stitch it. That's not how it's supposed to go. Of course, it's supposed to be fold it and press it in on the hemline, and then go back and tuck the end into that crease, and then that's how you get the fold. It wasn't working for me. And I tried everything. I tried safety pin, not safety pins, stick pins. I tried, I even bought clips. I bought a whole tin of clips. And I'm sure I can use these clips for another project, but they didn't work for this project, so I was a little pissed about my $8. So here is the material. Here is one of the sleeves, like the cuffs of the sleeve. So let me come in close so you can see this material. See? Oh, this is great. You can see the shine and everything. So let me show you what it looks like underneath. So is it going to focus? All right, there it is. So that's what it looks like underneath, right? Like a whole bunch of stitching. But on the outside, it's only one line. So, but yeah, so I will finish that today. I will finish it today. Another thing that doesn't make it easy is it does require some hand stitching of the collar. I think it's going to be a slip stitching of the collar, which is going to be nice when it's done. The last thing I need to do though is do the collar, attach the sleeves to each other. It is a 4-part sleeve, and it's, you know, the very bottom bell has elastic around it. And then I should be finished with that. I want to show you one more thing. Let me see if I have that piece up here. I do. This one here. Now this is called the Simplicity Hacking pattern here. I'll show you. So you see, it's kind of like an oversized bodice, right? And then you can have long sleeve and these ruffles. You can have no sleeves but the ruffles. You can do like this kind of belt looking thing that comes around the front. You can do ties at the bottom with also, let me see, is it gonna trying to see if it's gonna focus. And then it has like a little ruffle piece that goes here. And then you can have it can be, this bottom one here is cropped, and it has like this kind of like the grommet holes and stuff that goes across. So it has a lot of different things that go with it, right? Uh-oh, hold on here. That can be used to make it. But let me fix my camera here. I'm trying a new camera. I borrowed it from a friend. Shout out to Lelita. So you can do different ones. Now I talk to people and they're like, "Oh, I love the hacking because it comes with so many different options." Yeah. I'm not gonna say I don't love it, but I find it confusing. I mean, it really takes a lot of thought, and I told you at this stage in my sewing, I don't want to do a whole lot of thinking, and it's a whole lot of thought. So what I'm going to make though is I'm going to make the regular, this one here. Ooh, where the sun came out of nowhere. I hope it's melting all that snow. This one because I like the tie sleeves, but I'm not going to add this part here. I don't care about a ruffle part. It's not going to add any necessary details to the shirt for me. And I already cut all the pieces out, and I kind of really laid it out and thought about it already. And I found this sweater material that is perfect for me trying it out. It's here. Let me bring it in close to you, right? So it's this nice sweater material. And I thought that'd be just a great shirt to kind of throw on with some jeans. Like, I love a good sweatshirt. I actually bought a sweatshirt from JCPenney's during Black Friday, because that's when I clean up at JCPenney's. And I bought it for like $6. You know, quiet as it kept, I wear it at least twice a week. I love it. I love just throwing on a sweatshirt and going. So I hope that that's going to give me the same type of feel that I'm really into. So those are the two things I think I can get done today. I'm going to come right back to you with a video that's going to include my top 9. So what that is, just to give you a brief preview, is they were asking on Instagram. I'm in a couple Instagram, I follow a couple Instagram hashtags. There is one called Make 9 Challenge, where you kind of put together different things you want to make this year. So that kind of had me thinking, and then I said, well, this is a great way to have accountability if I actually like list out the 9 things that I want to make this year. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do it a little differently because it requires a lot of typing, and I only use Instagram from my phone, and I'm not about to type all that stuff out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my Make 9 items with you. And that is not to take away from anything that I'm going to do that categorized as a simple, because I still want to include a lot of the simple patterns. And then I have a couple of tutorials that I'm going to share this year. I've been asked to do a couple of tutorials or sew-alongs. So I'm going to do that as well. So I'm really looking forward to what's to come in 2019, and what we're going to do, how we're going to get better, how we're going to share and laugh with each other. And if you have any suggestions for videos that you would like to see, any topics, then let me know. I'm here for you. You're here for me. We're going to do this together. So I want to thank you very much for checking out this video on my snow day. I don't want to say I'm bored, but truth be told, I'm bored. So I am going to sew these 2 outfits, and hopefully I'll be able to show them to you, whether it's on me or on my mannequin, my man again as soon as possible. So hopefully, prayfully, I'll be able to come back to you today with the beautiful bell sleeve shirt. Okay? Thank you again. Please follow me on Instagram. I am IKanSew Fit, and I'll put the description down. I'll put the name down in this description box for you. And leave me a comment, like this video, and subscribe to me. Join the family. Thank you. Try to do my little pose at the end, but I forgot I had to turn the camera off.